Hey guys, this is just going to be a little introduction into how to use a Masterbuilt Gravity Fed Smoker. It's a pretty short one because they are super easy to use. They are relatively hands-off. They've got a few pros and cons, a few superiorities to pellet smokers, namely Flavour, but we'll get to that. Okay, Gravity Fed smokers use charcoal timber and timber chunks if you would like to really boost your flavour. Because of this fuel type, it does mean you will get a better smoke flavour that you just can't get out of pellets. You'll also get a much higher heat potential, so your ability to do anything from low and slow at 225 Fahrenheit all out to cranking heat to sear a steak, this can do. Again, something that pellet smokers just can't because of their fuel source. It is a really simple unit to control. It is a simple matter of just dial the temperature in and let the fan do the work. So we just start a fire in the bottom of a unit, we load it up with our charcoal, and then we start our fan. The fan will suck oxygen into the charcoal hopper and then push the heat through into the chamber. Very much an induction style heating. So it's nice and even through the chamber, which you won't get from, say, an offset. They tend to be a little more varied as they go. Because it is super easy to control, the controller also has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you just link it straight into your phone. It'll give you alerts on the chamber temperature. If it's not getting to where it needs to be, it'll tell you what temperature, with the aid of a meat probe, what temperature your protein is as it cooks, timers, all that basic function just on your phone.